Introducing Catman! This new special edition translates and censors.
What the beep? Stop it. You don't amuse me.
Hit on your dog!
Maybe not. It now comes in Platinum Edition!
I can't believe they put this thing on me. Ugh. Oh, seriously, what is that shovel? Why is that down? I can't believe there's cats on that can. This is my kingdom. Mine.
See this? This is mine.
Don't touch me, don't. Stop it.
Okay,
Oh my
okay.
god, you're dirty.
Oh, okay.
Just leave me alone. Leave me. I don't like you.
Oh, okay. I thought...
No. Stupid shovel. Stupid cats. I'm the only cat. What are you trying? Don't stop.
Get your Catman now! No, seriously.
Get it, or you'll never know that your cat has been plotting to kill you all along.